You're watching Kiddos Learn and Grow.
Uppercase A.
Woohoo!
Lowercase a.
Hello. Aeroplane. An aeroplane is a big machine that flies high in the sky. Ant. An ant is a tiny insect that walks on the ground.
Uppercase B.
Woohoo!
Lowercase b.
Hello. Bear. A bear is a big animal with lots of thick hair on its body. It can be brown, black, or white in color. Butterfly. A butterfly is a small, colorful insect with big wings.
Uppercase C. Lowercase c.
Car. It helps people travel from one place to another. Cat. A cat is a small, soft animal with a long tail and sharp eyes.
Uppercase D. Lowercase d.
Dog. A dog is a friendly animal that loves to play and run. Dolphin. It has a smooth body and a long nose called a snout.
Uppercase E. Lowercase e.
Yes.
Elephant. An elephant is a big animal with a long trunk and big ears. Eagle. Eagles can see far and catch small animals for food.
Uppercase F.
Hello.
Lowercase f.
Fish. A fish is a small animal that lives in water. Frog. A frog is a small, green animal that loves to jump and swim.
Uppercase G. Lowercase g.
Giraffe. A giraffe is a very tall animal with a long neck. Gorilla. A gorilla is a big, strong animal that looks a bit like us.
Uppercase H. Lowercase h.
Horse. A horse is a big animal with 4 strong legs and a long tail. Helicopter. A helicopter is a flying machine with big spinning blades on top.
Uppercase I. Lowercase I.
Ice cream. Ice cream is a cold and sweet treat that we eat in a cone or cup. Insect. An insect is a tiny little animal with 6 legs.
Uppercase J.
Hello.
Lowercase j.
Juice. Juice is a tasty drink made from fruits like mango, orange, or apple. Jellyfish. A jellyfish is a soft and squishy sea animal that lives in the ocean.
Uppercase K.
Hello?
Lowercase k.
Key. A key is a small metal thing that we use to open locks. Kitten. A kitten is a small and cute baby cat. It has soft fur, tiny paws.
Uppercase L. Lowercase l.
Hello?
Lion. Boy lions have a fluffy mane around their heads. Lobster. Lobsters live in the ocean and have big claws.
Uppercase M.
Yes.
Lowercase m.
Mother. A mother is someone who loves and takes care of us. Monkey. They have long tails and use their hands and feet to grab things.
Uppercase N. Lowercase n.
Hello?
Narwhal. They look like whales but have a long, twisty tooth like a unicorn horn. Nest. Birds use sticks, grass, and leaves to make their nest.
Uppercase O.
Hello?
Lowercase o.
Owl. They have big eyes and can see in the dark. Octopus. An octopus is a sea animal with 8 arms.
Uppercase R.
Hello?
Lowercase r.
Hello?
Rocket. Rockets blast off with fire and smoke from the bottom. Rat. A rat is a small animal with a long tail.
Uppercase S. Lowercase s.
Hello?
Seahorse. A seahorse is a tiny sea animal that looks like a horse and swims upright. Sun. The sun is a big, bright ball of light in the sky.
Uppercase T. Lowercase t.
Tiger. Tigers are big cats with orange fur and black stripes. Turtle. Turtles are animals with hard, round shells on their backs.
Uppercase U. Lowercase u.
Hello?
UFO. A UFO is a flying object from space that we can't always see clearly. Umbrella. An umbrella is a tool we use to keep us dry in the rain.
Uppercase V.
Hello?
Lowercase v.
Vegetable. Vegetables are healthy foods that grow in gardens and farms. A van is a big car that can carry many people or things.
Uppercase W. Lowercase w.
Hello?
Whale. Whales are big animals that live in the ocean. Walrus. A walrus is a big sea animal with long, sharp tusks.
Uppercase X.
Hello?
Lowercase x.
Xylophone. Each bar makes a different sound or note. X. Mast tree. We put colorful lights, shiny balls, and stars on the tree.
Uppercase Y.
Hello?
Lowercase y.
Yacht. A yacht is a big, fancy boat that floats on the water. Yellow tang fish. The yellow tang is a small, bright yellow fish.
Uppercase Z.
Hello?
Lowercase z.
Zebra. It has black and white stripes all over its body. Zeppelin. A zeppelin is a big airship that flies in the sky.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out more fun videos.